Hi, Mike Miller here, just back from New York City where I was at the National Retail Show, NRF 2017. I made a highlight reel here of some what I thought were some of the more interesting technologies. Hope you find it interesting. If you have any questions, want to talk, give me a note here at the email below and we can discuss. Hope you find it interesting.
All right, I'm with Chris. We're at EarthLink's booth here, and so EarthLink's a very big player in the retail space. They have large customers and a large customer base of customers. So Chris, why EarthLink, why retail?
Yeah, EarthLink's been very retail-centric since about 10 years now. Started off with basically just selling networks today. What you see in the background, unified commerce built on intelligent networks. So everything our retailers are doing today's life is based on the cloud. So EarthLink now views not only your software as a service you guys are purchasing, your unified commerce, your unified communications, we see network as a service as well. We've been very flexible in growing with our retailers and their needs from a solution standpoint. And we see them just getting nothing but bigger as we go through, as these millennials start to use technology to advance their sales.
Awesome, and you guys specialize in retail, I know that.
Retail and retail-like customers is what we do.
Awesome, thanks Chris.
Thanks, Mike.
So here I am at Cradle Point. So you might be familiar with Cradle Point. Everybody has the 4G wireless backup in a lot of their locations deployed, but Cradle Point says they're also in the SD-WAN business. So they're showcasing a couple things here. One, their enterprise manager, which manages all their different devices, as well as they're making a play for your SD-WAN device.
Hi, nice to speak with everyone. Yeah, Cradle Point, some people just think of us as a failover device or a device that enables LTE networking for a lot of other networking providers or SD-WAN players. But today, we're here at the NRF to actually show our cloud-managed SD-WAN solution. It actually includes not just connecting places. Most of the SD-WAN solutions today are about connecting places over MPLS, broadband, LTE networking, which we do today in a cloud-managed fashion that you see behind me. But we also connect people and places. So as you think about the WAN isn't just about connecting networks together, it's about also connecting hosts. Hosts that are used for IoT devices, hosts are people on different devices, mobile devices. So at Cradle Point, we have a solution that allows you to connect mobile devices and people to their applications and workloads, whether they're in the data center or in the public internet, as well as things. So we also connect millions and millions of things today with our M2M routers, but we also have a software overlay network that allows that to all happen in addition to the places. So in summary, we can connect people, places, and things through a common single pane of glass across any WAN and across multi-WAN connections, and secure all that connectivity as you move forward in the future to not just connecting networks, but connecting people and things.
Thanks, Todd.
Thank you. See you later.
All right, I'm here with the Cisco team. I'm with Blake here. We're going to talk a little bit about Spark and how Spark could enable a contact center to fire up a video call directly with a client.
Hey guys, my name's Blake Nelson. I'm part of the Spark go-to-market team. I want to show you today is what's called the Spark Video SDK, right? So I have a little app on my iPad, right? And this could be anybody's app, right? But with 3 lines of code, what we've done is embedded an easy way to do a Spark call with from an in customer to one of your associates or a core group of maybe experts, right? So, for example, a customer comes in, looking at some shirts, has some questions whether new patterns are going to be coming out, or the fall line or the spring line. Well, with one click of a button, it starts a call, and you'll see here very quickly on the iPad, it pops up, it'll ring your Spark client if you have a desk phone.
And this would be the contact center?
That could be the contact center. It would also ring if you have just the soft client open, it would ring that as well. But I'm just going to answer it on this phone very quickly, and it quickly starts a 2-way video conversation, as you can see,
awesome,
to answer whatever questions you may have.
Thanks, Blake.
Thanks, guys.
I ran into a couple guys here from Volcom, end users that are out looking at the show. What are you guys looking forward to seeing here today?
We're looking at omni-channel solutions, obviously, and then we have one of our vendors that we just met with about some endless aisle opportunities they're doing.
And so are you guys getting heavy into the retail space yourself, or are you looking at building your own stores?
We are. Go ahead, Darren.
Yeah, we are. We've got a few right now. I think we're 18 stores, 18 outlets and 11 full-price stores. So we're looking to grow the direct-to-consumer piece of it, and just really want to get our eyes on what's a more efficient way to do business out there.
Awesome. Yep. Well, good luck, guys. Thanks for taking the time.
All right, thank you.
So we're at Scala, and this is a smart digital media signage company. We're looking at a mannequin that has smart technology that will react with your signage. I'll tell you more about the features and functions. This is just one of the applications we're doing here today. signage as a service. So they will consult and contract with you to deploy and do it all on a monthly basis, everything from menu boards to signage in front of the stores, in the stores, you name it, any way you would use digital media signage as a service on a monthly fee managed.
Store assistance.
This is aisle 411 in the Philips booth here today. This is in-store GPS wayfinding, a map, if you will, of where to find on your handheld, where to find the products and services in the store you want to look at. And for the retailer, it then turns into
Data analytics of where people are, dwell time, what they're searching for, where they're spending their time in the store. And it's all based on our coded light
Adam.
technology. Hello. So it's using your existing infrastructure of lighting. And you already want to upgrade to LED lighting because it's energy efficient and it pays for itself. And this is a small cost adder on top of that.
So you're
to be able
using
to
the
add
infrastructure that's there in place with the lighting to add these other services for GPS.
Yes.
Big presence here from NEC with all of their digital displays, touchscreen displays, multi-panel displays, small, big, in-wall, all kinds of stuff.
But
Intel is even in the drink business.
that's right. And in that drink business, you can become a mixologist as a consumer.
Awesome.
Because-
Lots of options.
Because you can pick out of 1,000 different flavors instantaneously, which otherwise is not possible.
Mixologist.
Mixologist, right?
Thank you. I'm with Michael at Verizon, and Verizon's here to talk a little bit about networking over SD-WAN in a unique manner, as well as managed Wi-Fi via Meraki and Cisco.
Yeah, hi, thank you, Mike. So today, customers need to bring in those new services and applications to the retail location. SD-WAN will allow you to not only leverage your existing traditional WAN connection, but also bring in a secondary connection where those higher broadband speeds you can take advantage of and be able to offload some of the less critical traffic off your WAN and provide a better experience for your customers.
So doing it different than traditional SD-WAN.
Doing it different than when you're doing an SD-WAN where bandwidth is expensive, but it comes with high SLAs and quality of service. But to bring in that inexpensive bandwidth, you want to leverage a secondary, lower cost transport to be able to offload some of those less critical traffic.
Okay. You're also here to talk a little bit about Meraki. So you guys use Meraki and Cisco for your managed Wi-Fi solutions in retail?
Yep, absolutely. So Verizon will provide a fully managed Meraki solution. So we provide you with a private wireless and also guest wireless at your location.
Okay.
At a retail location.
Do you do any? Do you partner with any of the ecosystems that do the additional services?
Yeah, so we partner with Purple Wi-Fi to provide
Purple.
to provide analytics, the deep analytics that to get more about what your customers are doing when they connect on your Wi-Fi and how they're using it.
Awesome. Do you know anything about 5G coming? What's 5G look like? I just saw a demo over there of 4G versus 5G.
Yeah, well,
What are you able to quote a customer of 5G?
Well, the promise with 5G, and I would direct you to the Verizon Nokia team there for more detail, but the promise for 5G is obviously higher bandwidth, but also lower latency.
Awesome. Thank you, Michael.
Okay.